In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user accounts with Power Automate. Whether you're dealing with new hires or need to automate account creation in your organization, harnessing the power of Power Automate can streamline this process efficiently. So, let's dive right in and see how you can automate user account creation seamlessly. To begin, you need to decide what will trigger this automated action. Commonly used triggers include responses from Microsoft Forms or new items created in SharePoint. For instance, let's say you choose when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms. This means every time a new response is added, the user account creation process kicks off automatically. It doesn't just save time, but also reduces the chances of human errors during data entry. Once you have your trigger set up, you'll proceed to add the action. For our purpose, you will select the Create User v2 action available through the Microsoft Entra ID connector. Now, why this action, you might ask? It's because it specifically caters to creating new users in the system, making it a perfect fit for our needs. Next, we need to configure the user details. Start with the user principal name, or UPN. This is typically the user's email address. It's crucial to input this component correctly as it serves as the unique identifier for the user within your directory. Now, let's move on to the display name. This is simply the full name of the user. Make sure you type it just as how you want it to appear across your organization's systems. A professional and consistent naming convention adds a touch of personalization to your workflows. One important aspect of creating a new user is setting the password. Here, you have two routes. You can either generate a strong, secure password or make use of a predefined one. Whichever option you choose, ensure that it adheres to your organization's security guidelines. Remember, strong passwords help in safeguarding your systems against unauthorized access. The usage location is another key detail you'll need to configure. This should be set to the primary location of your organization. This is fundamental for license assignment as it dictates the options available based on the geographical location. Lastly, you need to assign the appropriate Microsoft 365 licenses. This step is pivotal as it determines the resources and services available to the user. Different roles might require different licenses, so ensure you choose the correct ones to match the user's job functions. And there you have it, an efficient way to create user accounts using Power Automate. Following these steps will help you build a smooth and automated process, saving you time and enhancing productivity within your team. By leveraging these tools, managing user accounts becomes not just an administrative task, but an opportunity to improve your operational workflows. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.